Welcome back to MT Engineering. This is the final assembly of this handwash using Solidworks, and here we will see many assembly command and assembly mates, and finally we will add this cool animation on it. I hope you'll enjoy it, so keep watching. Open assembly. Here we are in SolidWorks assembly interface. So choose parts, then choose all the parts. Then open a part. By default, the first part inserted will be fixed. We can manually change this. We have to flip this direction in Y direction, rotate it, then place it here. Click OK. Make it float, then we can easily drag it around there. Then choose this face and this face, mate, concentric mate. We have to fix this part. Right click on this part and click fix. Hide this origin point, then choose this face and mate. Scroll it down, go to advanced mate and choose width mate. Again, this opposite face, this face and the corresponding face, then click OK. And here we have to go to standard mate and choose concentric mate, choose this circle, then click OK. Again, choose this face and this inside circular face and click OK. Then you have to place this spring in the right position. So choose this face and the spring, then click OK. First drag this spring down, then we have to make tangent mate here. Choose this face and this face, make it tangent, then click OK. Then here drag it around there. It is unnecessary constraint, so go to this mate selection and choose clear selection, then choose this circular edge and again this circular edge. Choose concentric mate and here click OK. Choose this face and this face, coincidence mate. OK. Here we have to add the tap. Go to insert components, choose the tap and place it here. Drag this around here. Then we have to make it flexible. So right click, component properties and make it flexible. Now it is flexible. Choose this and hide. Section this view and choose this circular face and mate with this circular face. Apply concentric mate. Then click OK. Drag it around here. Oh, it's wrong mate selection, so delete them. Choose this face and this, then click OK. Try to adjust it in the right direction. First exit mate and try to rotate it. Here I think it is in the right position, so we have to specify to lock this rotation, the rotation of this tab. So we have to choose this concentric mate and edit features. We have to edit this. Only choose lock rotation checkbox, then click OK. Now it will not rotate. Here we have to add one mate. Choose this face, then concentric mate, then click OK. This handle will give the water when we press the bottom ladder. drag it around there. Here we are enable auto key creation, so drag it there and switch to any view you want. Scroll it around here, tap this and choose the view. Again, scroll it around here, tap here and towards the top of this handles. You can also do this by using manual key creation, but here I prefer auto key creation. Here is the section. So right click, disable auto key creation. So when we change the position of this handles, we can't get automatic key that we don't want. Here is the final animation of these handles. I think you are enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Keep creating.